Hello, this is Loretta from Promise International Digital Project Management Company, and you are most welcome to the series of Promise training videos. This is the second training video in which we will talk about using the BOQ chapter from Promise's main menu. It is necessary to mention that there is a sequential method of data entry you must follow. First would be BOQ, then time schedule, variation orders if any, and finally customization. These are all fundamental data for Promise, as all other processes depend on the data of these four chapters. Therefore, the data entry for BOQ is the first compulsory exercise for newly inserted projects. On the other hand, it is extremely important to mention that the BOQ items should be the same as the time schedule items. Sometimes it may be necessary to break down some BOQ items, as it will be required by the planning engineer, so as to fulfill the construction time schedule requirements. After keeping the above notes in mind, and after the necessary coordination with the planning department, the customer will be ready to access and use the BOQ chapter. Before starting the BOQ data entry, the customer should select the required project and the building from the project's menu. Then Promise will redirect you to the Insert BOQ page for the selected building. The customer will be able to do the following from the BOQ menu. Insert BOQ. This option allows the customer to insert the BOQ item by item. Promise is proud and pleased to inform you that more than 4,000 of professional construction items of various types of international construction projects are included in Promise's website. These items can be classified in three main levels. Therefore, the data entry of each BOQ item is broken down to three sections: Level 1 main class, Level 2 class, and Level 3 subclass. Promise will direct the customer to select the number of BOQ items that belong to Level 3 subclass, where the item code, item description, quantity, unit, and contractual unit price are required to be entered. The work package and subcontracting data will be filled later when which work packages to be subcontracted are decided. All other BOQ items will be entered in the same way until the BOQ is entered completely and saved. In the contractual BOQ page, the customer can view, edit, and delete any of the BOQ items. In addition to that, it is allowed in this page to add more BOQ items and to delete the BOQ completely simply by clicking Delete All Items. Moreover, the department manager is given a chance to review the completely entered BOQ and to take internal approval action for all items with just one click. In the Budgeted BOQ page, the customer can view the budgeted BOQ, which will show the budget unit rate as well as the total budget amount for all BOQ items. The budget amount of any item may be edited by the customer from the Item Edit option shown in the previous contractual BOQ page. From Upload BOQ, the customer can upload a complete BOQ file if available in Excel format. After selecting the required project and building, you will have the direct option to select your BOQ file and upload it. Now let us share with you an example of inserting the BOQ to one of the buildings of Promise University project. First, from the Projects menu, and under Select Project, choose Promise University. Then, from the building name drop list, select Engineering College and click Next. You will be redirected to the Insert BOQ process. Let's suppose that the contractual BOQ is available on a paper printout, and we want to enter the BOQ item by item. For this example, let's select two items that are related to masonry. Here, we have two types of concrete blockwork in the BOQ form. Here's how we enter the data we have to Promise. From the Insert BOQ Level 1 page, we select Masonry and click Next Level at the bottom. Then, from the Insert BOQ Level 2 page, select Concrete Unit Masonry and click Next Level. And finally, from the Insert BOQ Level 3 page, select Miscellaneous Concrete Unit Masonry Items and click Next Level. Now, since we have two different types of concrete block work, we select Number 2 from the Number of Items drop list. Then we start filling in the data, like so. Type in your item code for the first item. And then fill in the item description. For this example, we'll enter a short description along with the dimensions of the first item or product. And the quantity as 12,000. Enter the unit you wish to use. In this case, we'll go with meter squared. Let's say that the contractual price is 55 SR. Remember to only write the number as 55. You may leave the work package and the contractor fields without any data for now, as the subcontract's assignation will be decided at a later stage. Similarly, for the second item's data entry, let's enter an item code and an item description. The required quantity as 8,000 and the unit. Let's say here that the contractual price is 42 SR and enter the number 42 only. Leave the work package and the contractor fields empty as we did previously. Then we click Save and the contractual BOQ can be automatically viewed on the next screen. In a similar way, we may enter all BOQ items in one single day, or we could enter data partially and follow up daily if the BOQ is too large and time-consuming. In the contractual BOQ page, you are able to view all BOQ items that have been entered so far. As you notice on the screen, the amount of each item has been calculated by Promise. There is no need to add this data during the item-by-item data entry process. In the contractual BOQ page, the main feature is that we can add, edit, and delete data of any item. And we can also delete all items by just one click. Another feature is that we can copy, view, or save the BOQ file in different formats, such as Excel and PDF, and print the file contents as well. Moving on to the budgeted BOQ page. Here, you will be able to view all BOQ items that have been entered so far, along with the budget price and total budgeted amount for each item. The budget price has been calculated from the budget percentage, but many items need to have special budgeting care. If necessary, it is possible to revise or update the budgeted price from the contractual BOQ page. To do this, select Contractual BOQ from the BOQ menu. Go to the item row of which you would like to update. Click the edit icon found at the last column and edit the amount in the budgeted price field. Once completed, click Next to finalize the process. Now, if we go to the budgeted BOQ page, we will see that the budget price has been revised. We at Promise recommend taking use of the feature where you can insert your BOQ by directly uploading a BOQ Excel file to Promise. For this, it is necessary to follow Promise's BOQ Excel file format very strictly to ensure the success of proper file uploading. Now we will demonstrate how to upload a BOQ file for the Engineering College of Promise University project. The first exercise is to prepare the BOQ file according to Promise's BOQ preset Excel format. To do this, make sure that there is no previous BOQ data saved. Since we have added data already, let's go to the contractual BOQ page and delete the 2 items that we saved before. For this, simply click on Delete All Items. Now that all data is cleared from the contractual BOQ page, click the icon shown at the top right corner and download the BOQ file. Since there is no data, the Promise BOQ file format will be downloaded instead. The file type should be saved as an Excel 97-2003 worksheet. Now the BOQ data can be copied from your company Excel file to the preset Promise Excel file as you see on the screen. The file is saved now and is ready to upload. Now, select Upload BOQ from the BOQ menu. Select Promise University from the project drop list, and make sure to select Engineering College from the building drop list. Then we choose the file and click Upload. And we will see that the BOQ has been completely entered successfully. The video is now complete. The next video subject will be about time schedule. Thank you for being with us in this series of Promise training videos. Promise, project management made easy.